Have you ever been nervous to visit the doctor? Today, Leo is going to the clinic for his annual checkup, but he has lots of questions. What is a GP? What is blood pressure? And can you really hear your own heart? Join Leo and Anna in this fun and emotional easy English story for beginners. Listen carefully, learn real everyday English, and enjoy the adventure with Leo. And remember, you do not need perfect English to start learning. Just listen, enjoy, and improve a little every day. Subscribe to Slow and Steady English for more easy English stories every week.
Is this the hospital?
No, this is a clinic.
What is the difference?
It is smaller than a hospital. A clinic is for regular checkups and small problems. A hospital is for emergencies and operations.
Operations? Like cutting people open?
Yes, Leo. Yes, but only when necessary. Today we are here for your annual checkup.
What is an annual checkup?
Annual means every year. A checkup is when the doctor checks your body.
But I feel fine.
That is good. The doctor will confirm that.
Mummy, that sign says GP surgery. What is a GP?
GP stands for General Practitioner. It is a doctor who treats everyday health problems.
General practitioner. That is a very long name for a doctor.
Most people just say GP or family doctor.
Family doctor? We have a family doctor?
Yes, Dr. Patel looks after our family.
One doctor for all of us? She must be very busy. Mummy, this room has lots of chairs. What is this room?
This is the waiting room. You sit here until the doctor is ready.
Everyone looks very serious.
People are often worried at the doctor. That is normal.
That sign says reception. What is reception?
The reception is the front desk. That is where we tell them we are here. That is where we check in.
Checking in? Like at the airport?
Very similar. You tell them your name and appointment time.
What is an appointment?
An appointment is a planned time to see the doctor. You book it in advance.
So you can't just walk in?
Usually no. You need an appointment, unless it is an emergency.
What counts as an emergency?
Something sudden and serious. A very bad injury, difficulty breathing, chest pain.
I don't have any of those.
Good. Come on, let's check in. Good morning. How can I help? Good morning. We have an appointment for Leo Collins, 10 o'clock, with Dr. Patel. We have your appointment here. Please take a seat. Dr. Patel will be with you shortly.
What does shortly mean?
Soon, in a few minutes.
Why didn't she just say soon?
Some people like formal words.
I prefer soon. It is clearer. That sign says, please switch your mobile phone to silent. Why?
Because loud phone noises disturb patients. People are unwell. They need quiet.
What is a patient?
A patient is a person receiving medical care. Everyone here waiting to see the doctor is a patient.
Am I a patient?
Yes, today you are a patient.
I am a patient. Okay. That sign says, wash your hands.
Very important in a clinic. Germs spread easily.
What are germs?
Germs are tiny living things. Some germs make you ill.
Are there germs on my hands now?
Probably a few. That is normal. Let's wash them before seeing the doctor.
Yes. Let's wash them right now.
The bathroom is over there.
That poster says, know your NHS. What is the NHS?
NHS stands for National Health Service. It provides medical care to everyone.
Everyone? For free?
Most things are free, funded by taxes.
What are taxes?
Taxes are money people pay to the government. The government uses it for schools and hospitals.
So everyone pays a little and everyone gets health care?
Yes, exactly.
That is fair. I like that system. That poster says symptoms of flu. What are symptoms?
Symptoms are signs that you are ill. For example, a high temperature, a sore throat, a runny nose. These are symptoms of flu.
What is flu?
Flu is short for influenza. It is like a very bad cold.
It is written high temperature, cough, sore throat, headache, tiredness. I had those last winter.
Yes, you had flu last winter,
It was horrible.
but you got better.
This one says, book your flu jab. What is a jab?
A jab is an injection. The flu jab protects you from flu.
A needle?
A very small one. Very quick.
Are we getting a jab today?
No, just a checkup today.
Oh, good. I am very brave, but I prefer no needles.
Hello, Leo. I am Nurse Jenny. I will do a few quick checks before you see Dr. Patel. Come with me, please.
Mummy, who is the nurse? Is the nurse the same as the doctor?
A nurse works with the doctor. They help patients. The doctor diagnoses and prescribes.
What does diagnose mean?
To diagnose means to find out the illness.
And prescribe?
To prescribe means to decide what medicine you need. Are you ready, Leo?
Yes.
First, I am going to measure your height. Stand against this wall, please. Straight and tall.
I am ready.
122 centimeters. Growing well.
Am I tall for my age?
Right in the middle. Perfect.
Middle is good.
Now I am going to check your weight. Step on this scale, please.
What is a scale?
A scale measures your weight.
What does it say?
24 kilograms. Very healthy.
24 kilograms. Good.
Now I am going to check your blood pressure.
Blood pressure? What is that?
Blood pressure measures how hard your heart pumps blood around your body. This cuff will squeeze your arm a little. Don't worry.
Oh, it is squeezing. Is that normal?
Perfect blood pressure.
My heart is working well?
Very well. Well done. I am going to check your temperature. This thermometer reads your temperature. 36.6 degrees. Perfectly normal.
What is normal temperature?
Between 36 and 37 degrees, Celsius is normal. Above 38 is a fever.
What is a fever?
A fever means your body temperature is too high. Your body is fighting infection.
Like when I had flu.
Exactly like that.
My body was fighting like a soldier.
Your immune system is your body's army.
I have an army inside me. That is brilliant.
Good morning, Leo. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Dr. Patel. Very good, thank you. My army is working well.
The nurse explained the immune system. Ah, yes. Your immune system is in excellent condition. Now let me do a few more checks. Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah!
Your throat looks healthy. I am going to listen to your chest.
What is that?
This is a stethoscope. I can hear your heart and lungs.
You can hear my heart?
Breathe in. Breathe out. Heart sounds strong. Lungs are clear.
Can I hear my heart?
Listen.
I can hear it. Boom, 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 boom. It sounds like a little drum.
That is your heart beating.
It never stops.
It beats 70 to 100 times every minute.
My heart never gets tired.
It works all the time.
Thank you, heart. You are doing a great job.
Now, last thing, I am going to check your eyes. Can you cover your left eye and read the letters on that board?
E, F, P, B, D, E, A, P, O, T, Z.
Excellent. Perfect vision.
What is that chart called?
It is called a Snellen chart.
Snellen. Who is Snellen?
Hermann Snellen invented it in 1862.
That is a very old chart.
It still works perfectly. You are in perfect health.
So I am completely healthy?
Keep eating well and exercising. Come back next year.
Can I have a certificate?
A certificate?
Yes, to show I am healthy, like an award.
No, I don't have a certificate. But I will write it in your notes. Leo Collins, perfectly healthy.
Mummy, she wrote it in the notes. That is basically a certificate.
Leo is due his booster vaccination next month.
Vaccination. Is that a jab?
A small one. Very quick.
You said no jabs today.
How about a sticker instead? For being such a brave patient. See you next month.
Fine, but I want a sticker afterwards. Thank you, Dr. Patel. You are an excellent GP.
She is.
Mummy, I liked the doctor.
She has been our family doctor for 5 years.